On this episode of Twyla World, I head outside to assess the situation of the ranch after a huge overnight storm where we had wind gusts of over 60 miles per hour and heavy rain. See what kind of damage we had last night. We had a big storm. It was huge. It was so windy. Did lose a tire cover. Let's make sure all the tire covers are on the trailers. Hey, there's my tire cover. At least it didn't blow off to the next county. The water. So this blew out last night. This panel, I was dealing with this in the dark. The wind blew through, it was blowing from the south, so it blew through the barn here. And just blew this panel right on out. So now that has to be replaced. Okay, go out and check on the peeps. Rebel is being tied up because when I go into a pasture, he takes advantage of me and he goes and chases these guys. And he knows he's not supposed to do that. So you're going to hear him whining a lot. Hey, Mr. Man. What's going on? You got your dinner in bed last night. Oh boy. How'd you weather the storm, mister? Huh? Oh, look at this mud. Alright. Last night it was raining so hard and it was dark. And poor Buddy was over here in his shelter, so I just brought the feed bucket out here and just left it for him. So he could eat. He could eat in the barn. Pretty muddy, but at least he has shelter from the south winds. We get the winds out here predominantly come from the south when we have these big giant windy storms. So he's open on this side, but this side is where the wind comes from, so he's covered. He's covered. Hey, he's a Mustang, man. He's tough. Alright, he ate all of his din-din. Hey, you big whiny crybaby. Oh, stay. Stay. You stay. He wants to chase these guys so bad. It's in his DNA, man. He can't help it. This is where the cats live. I got one cat that I'm feeding. Her name is Callie, but I think half the cats in the neighborhood come over here and eat this food. That's okay. All that dog does is chase birds and rabbits, but mostly birds. Well, as big as that storm was last night, we're in pretty good shape. The only thing I saw was a cover missing off my trailer tire, but didn't go very far, so that's a good thing. I've had those things come up missing before after a big storm. And just a lot of water, just a lot of mud, and a panel on the barn. But that was going anyway, so I just kind of gave it that extra push. It needs to be fixed. So. But all is good. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like what you see, and don't forget to comment down below. And oh yes, the support button right over here. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Bye.